Man United next manager latest. Ruben Amorim updates. Deal agreed. Replacement timeline. Ruben Amorim has agreed in principle to replace Erik Ten Hag and become their new permanent Manchester United head coach to take charge from interim head coach Ruud van Nistelrooy. Ruud van Nistelrooy is in charge as interim head coach with the support of the current coaching team. That group includes assistant manager René Hake, first team coach Darren Fletcher, set-piece coach Andreas Jorgensen, and goalkeeper coach Jel Ten Ruulathi are preparing the team for their EFL Cup 4th round tie against Leicester City at Old Trafford. However, much happened on Monday afternoon following United's announcement, and here is a roundup of all on Monday evening. United have convinced Amorim to replace Ten Hag permanently. The coach has agreed in principle to take the job, and United are now negotiating a compensation package with his current club, Sporting, which would cost around €10 million, £8.34 million. Van Nistelrooy will take charge of the Carabao Cup tie at home to Leicester City on Wednesday night. The club have so far refused to clarify how long the former striker will remain in charge. However, Amorim leads the way to become Ten Hag's long-term replacement.